Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your Instagram current refresh feed problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Instagram on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So let's say you're trying to refresh your feed but it's not actually working. You can see even right now it is not properly working. So the first problem would be simply checking your connection, whether it's good or not, because if your connection is not good, if it's turning off and on in between, then that can cause the process of the refreshing. You have to make sure of that. Other would be going to your Play Store, searching Instagram and seeing if it has been updated or not. If it does not, make sure to do it. On other would be simply going to your settings and simply going into this option called apps just right over here and find your Instagram app here, and simply go to this option called storage and clear cache, and if you're okay with clear data as well, reinstall it and you will be done. That will solve your problem, and this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.